Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make this Lego chair. You can use any colors you want for the chair. I'm going to take apart my chair. I took apart my Lego chair and these are the pieces you need. Let's get started. I'm going to first build the 4 legs. I'm finished with 1 leg. Now I'm finished with 2 legs. I'm finished with my third leg now. And now I'm finished with my 4th leg. Now I'm going to build the back. Now I'm finished with the back. Now I'm finished with the back. Now I'm going to join the legs. I'm putting this green piece for support. Now I joined all 4 legs. I'm going to join the back. Now you're finished with your Lego chair. I hope you make this at home and have fun.